baggage claim. The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all A gates.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all A gates. Exit here for all A gates.
What if we miss it?
Please watch your step.
We're getting off to go to the back. Getting to the back.
Thank you.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to terminal, ground transportation, and baggage claim.
Welcome to Denver. This is Colorado native, Olympic gold medalist, and defender for your Denver Summit FC, Janine Sonis. We're thrilled to kick off the inaugural season for Colorado's first professional women's sports team and look forward to welcoming fans as we take the field. Let's go Summit!
Hold on, please. We are approaching the terminal, ground transportation, and baggage claim. This is the terminal. All passengers, please exit and follow signs to ground transportation and baggage claim. Please watch your step. All passengers, please exit.
Tell me the door's closed.
The door.
Yeah, it's a good education.